Hey fellow craft nerds, it's Liz, your official craft nerd. Let's get right on into it. So today you guys, I am really excited about this project. I am using Podge, some Epsom Salt, which you can get at the Dollartree, as well as one of these vases, actually 3 vases that I got from Dollartree as well. So before I get into all the details on the project, as many of you may already know, my Insta page had been hacked, so I had to start brand new, and I am now official craft nerd over on Instagram, so please come on over, check me out, follow me again. I've had to basically build back up. Also, if you're new to this page, I hope you guys stick around, you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for any time that I do upload. And of course, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. So as far as this project goes, it's really easy, you guys. I am using just some Mod Podge, and I'm just kind of putting a nice little coat on the bottom half of this vase. Now, you can cover the whole vase entirely, however you want to do it, but I just wanted just the bottom portion. And all I'm doing is, just like if this was glitter, I am sprinkling this all over that glue, and it's going to stick as much as it can. And of course, you see I just kind of tap off the excess there, and it is as easy as that, you guys. And what's really kind of awesome about this is Epsom Salt smells so good. So this project literally was beyond calming to make. And it didn't smell like normal crafting stuff. Not that crafting stuff smells bad, but you guys know what I mean. So definitely just go around this entire bottom half, or however you prefer to do it, and just do just like this. You're just going to sprinkle some of the Epsom salts on there just to make sure you get it coated nice and evenly as you can. And that's really all there is to it, you guys.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch.
So I didn't record this part, but at the end of covering all 3 of my vases with the Epsom Salt and the Mod Podge, I actually give it a spray of hairspray just as a sealant, just to keep any excess from really falling off. And it works perfectly. So any old hairspray, and it just spreads it down, and it just holds as a sealant, which is awesome. I absolutely love this Rust-Oleum spray paint. This is after I've already sprayed these down. You guys, they looked beautiful. Like, I love this spray paint, and I love how this Epsom Salt gives this so much texture. These are the final products, you guys. Like, this was a quickie video, quick project. I wanted to go very boho modern, or boho glam, and I just thought this was beautiful. So I'm really excited to have these pieces, And these are definitely going up as soon as I get all of my Christmas stuff down, which will be here soon. So you have to tell me what you guys think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you're new here, I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to find me on Instagram, official craft nerd. And until next time, you guys, have a great day.